Why does your scanner show the P2443 engine code? What does it mean? P2443 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve, stuck closed bank 2. The P2443 engine code for indicate. The valve that lets fresh air into the exhaust on cold starts is seized shut on the second cylinder bank, preventing proper emissions control. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: moisture intrusion and corrosion, failed switching valve, damaged air pump or relay, clogged or kinked hoses, electrical or wiring faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, Subaru, Chevrolet, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.